Desktop Lux is a program for decoration and advanced customization of the appearance of the Windows operating system. Thanks to its unique capabilities, it will raise not only your mood, but also those around you, and emphasize your individuality. Add stunning animations and effects directly into the Windows graphical interface. Use any video files as your desktop background. Replace your desktop wallpaper with your favorite webpage. Change hidden system settings. Change your usual mouse pointer to interesting cursors from our collection. And this is far from a complete list of Desktop Lux features. Follow the link below the video to the program's official website and download it for free right now. Not only that. There, on the program's website, you will find thousands of free assets to decorate your computer, including photo and video wallpapers for your desktop, as well as screensavers for every taste.